Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you my Robinhood portfolio for the first time, so you can have a broad understanding of what stocks I own. So right now I'm on my phone, so I'm gonna screen record right now, right here. This is my first time signing in Robinhood today, so I'm not sure how the stocks are doing, so you can see my reaction. Hopefully they're doing good. Alright. Not that bad, not that bad. It's at 2,435 with 70 cents. And I lost 104. What's today? It's Sunday. That's Friday. Oh, I forgot it's Sunday. Anyways, okay. So right here, you're gonna see my stocks. First one is AVX, BAC, Bank of America, SPY, S&P 500, Starbucks, Delta Airline, ExxonMobil, Coca-Cola, T-Mobile, Disneyland. No, oh my God, the T is AT&T. I don't know why I said T-Mobile. AAL is American Airlines. So let's go through them so you can see what I have and what I own, and what I expect in the future, and then what I would be doing to grow my Robinhood portfolio. Okay, so it's at 2,435, like I said. She's shy. Okay, so the first one is AVX. There we go. Right now it's at 21 with 66 cents. I own 4 shares of those, and my equity is 86 with 64 cents. My portfolio diversity, meaning, yeah, I don't need to explain it. Basically the word says it. And the dividend yield for AVX is 2.12. It's a little bit low. Bank of America, I own 5 shares. I am trying to buy more of this company. They're right now at 21.44. I have 5 shares of this, and the dividend yield is 3.33. And you see how they were doing a week ago. We actually up in the week. In the month, we're still down. You know what? I'll go ahead and. Oh wait, I don't want to buy it right now. I'm thinking it might go down a little bit more. I'm gonna hold up and I'm gonna keep watching Bank of America. S&P 500 for sure. I want to buy more of these. I just got paid $5.62 for 4 shares. I have an equity of $1,000 here. It's 41% of my portfolio, 41.98. That's because it's so expensive. Well, it's a yeah. 252.9 cents right now, and the dividend yield is 2.29. Let's go into the next one, that is Starbucks. Have 3 shares. It's right now at $66. I have 3 shares, like I said. 198 my equity. 2.47 dividend yield. The next one is Delta Airlines. I did buy a lot of Delta Airlines due for the crisis, because the airlines were like one of the main industries that were affected by it. So I did make the move and buy it. So about 10 shares right now. I own 10 shares. Right here, Delta Airlines, 10 shares. They're right now at 28.68. 10 shares. My portfolio diversity is 11%. My equity is 286 with 80 cents, and the dividend yield is not that bad. It's 5.99. That's pretty good to me. Alright, into the next one, ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil, I have 3 shares. I am looking to buy a little bit more of ExxonMobil because of the dividend yield, 9.42. And I have 3 shares, equity of 110 with 40 cents. So I am looking forward to buy more ExxonMobil. We're up in the week. In the month we're down. Yeah, we're still down. and I say I want to buy more XMO. I don't really care if we're down the year and the 5 years. I care more about the dividend yield and how high they could grow during, because of the short term it might be down, but for the long term it's not, right? Coca-Cola, 42.80 a stock right now. I just got paid 41 cents dividend on Coca-Cola. I have 3 shares, 128 in my equity with 40 cents. The dividend yield for Coca-Cola is 3.83. And to the next one, we have 10 shares of not T-Mobile, but AT&T. AT&T right here, 10 shares are going for $29.71. And my portfolio with AT&T is $297 with 10 cents. And my dividend yield is 6.97. The dividend yield for this one. Let me see. People are buying more, holding. Okay. Next one, I only have 1 share of Disneyland. I am trying to buy more. 1 share going for 96 right now. My equity is 96.06. And the dividend yield for Disneyland is 1.83. I know it's low, but I know it's also a great company, so I will invest in it. But whoa, we don't want that. For the last one, I'm on American Airlines with 6 shares going for right now 13.80, and my equity is 82.80. And in this particular stock, the dividend yield is 2.85. As you can see in all of these stocks right here, all of these stocks, all of them have a dividend yield. That's because I'm trying to invest in stocks that have a high dividend yield, or at least a dividend yield, in order for me to continue my investments. That's my strategy. You guys might have another strategy and a different type of investment. But for me, well, I'm more passive, and I'm trying to build that passive income over time. And I'm 19 years old, so I've started pretty young, and along the way I will be learning. So also, while I learn, I will put more content out there for other people, young people like me, to make the right moves and right decisions, and encourage them to start reaching passive income, to reach financial education. So you guys might have another type of investing, and it might be day-to-day trading or only crypto stuff like that, right? So I'm going for these stocks, major stocks that have a high dividend yield, so I could keep growing. And I have a strategy I'm trying to implement, that is, I will put at least $100 a week in this Robinhood portfolio. So I will keep you guys updated on this portfolio and grow it from what's right now $2,435. I just started investing it fully right here in Robinhood. I started back then with Acorns because it's way easier for me. So I will also do a review on Acorns. So if you want to watch that video, comment down below and I'll make that video for you guys. So right here, as you guys can see, we're up in the week. We're up $274. That's pretty good because the market is doing better. And in the month, we're still down $164.30. That's 6.32%. We're down in 3 months. We're still down in a year. I'm down. Actually started investing way back over here in August, but I wasn't fully going towards it. I was still making my research and playing it safe. So right now I took the move to invest and go on in, and I'll be documenting that in my YouTube videos. I will give you guys a video update of how much I'm gonna be depositing and how I plan to grow my Robinhood portfolio. So if you're new to this channel, you're interested in seeing me and my strategy of how I'm gonna put, or how I plan to grow this portfolio, feel free to subscribe. I will keep you update on this portfolio and how I could grow it and how I will grow it. So yeah guys, this is my Robinhood portfolio. Right now it's up. That's amazing. And for the month we're down, but that's not a problem because I'm still going in. It doesn't matter what the market fluctuates. In the long term, business is gonna be booming. Alright guys, so this video, to wrap up this video guys, I thank you so much for watching the video if you make it to the end. And if you like the video or you found it useful, feel free to subscribe, like, turn that bell notification so it can help me. I'm barely starting. Yes, I'm hustling my way up. I'm gonna put great content. Every video is gonna be better, so excuse me if the camera quality is not good for the rest of the videos. I am improving every day, so I will see you guys in another video, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Peace out.